Now, forewarned weather with exclusive cutting-edge technology to help keep you and your family safe.
Welcome back, everybody. We are 48 hours from a real
Sheets
slap in the
storm.
face.
That was our lead story, the Sheets gas stations.
Yes.
So, which means you can use it interchangeably when you're talking about the snow. Oh, Sheets.
Yeah, that'll be
Sheets you not.
I know, yeah. You just stop now while you're ahead, Jason. So here's a look at Exact Track 4D. While we have been time looping, or time lapsing, I shall say, the rain that's been rolling through the area. So widespread rain, and boy, I mean, it wasn't really heavy, but it was steady enough that it really slowed down the commute, reduced visibility, and we're starting to see some drastic improvement out towards Ann Arbor, Adrian, Monroe. Even Novi at this hour catching a little bit of a break. Not as much so in Detroit and Mount Clemens, as we still have a little ways to go. So here's Exact Track 4D for Mount Clemens up towards Port Huron, Sandusky. Still some widespread showers on the east side and off into the thumb. But a couple little stray showers that we're picking up on Exact Track in Inkster and in the Novi area, but not as much towards South Lyon or Plymouth, Canton, Superior Township, and off towards Belleville. But looking a little closer to Madison Heights, Roseville, New Baltimore, Macomb. You're likely going to be dealing with this probably for the next hour or so, and then we'll see improvement. But you can see that water accumulating on the camera lens in Mount Clemens. So right now, 56 degrees over at Metro, 55 in Howell, 54 in Pontiac, and 60 in Adrian. It's a really mild day. It's a warm front that lifted through. Winds are picking up. We have southeasterly winds around 14 miles per hour, and some of those gusts as you get up in the thumb region from Mount Clemens to Sandusky and Port Huron, upward of 30 miles per hour. A lot of folks looking at about a 20-mile-per-hour wind gust. So let's take you throughout the rest of the afternoon. 4:30, couple spotty showers lingering. This is kind of the tail end of that. So you can't rule out an isolated shower this afternoon or evening, but most of us are drying out at that point. Now, as we head into tomorrow morning, most of the morning's dry, but just around the lunch hour, rain starts to roll back in, widespread rain that will take into the earlier part of the evening. So second half of the day will be a washout. Now we're going to keep a close eye on Wednesday night and Thursday morning. We're picking up some blue, which indicates some snow that'll be working its way in. Before we get to that, tonight, 45, with a few of those showers early, but pretty much drying out. Tomorrow, 52, mainly showers in the afternoon, but let's really talk about this next weather maker. So first I want to point out what we're tracking here. Warm front's lifting with an attached cold front. So by 6, that cold front has moved out. That's how quickly that thing is just chasing after the warm front. So we have this little disturbance behind this trough that will roll through going into Wednesday afternoon, but we're keeping our eye on this low. Watch what happens Thursday as it dances around the Great Lakes. That's what's going to bring our chance for some snow showers. And so wind chill forecast plays into this. So I've started the clock midday Wednesday, and even in the evening, we're looking at wind chills in the mid to upper 30s. But watch what happens by Thursday morning. Those wind chills at 4 a.m. are in the 20s. So even if the air temperature is above the freezing mark, it's going to feel like we're well below it. And that will factor into the changeover from rain to snow. 6 a.m. Thursday, widespread snow showers across the area and staying pretty much snow until about 10:30, where some rain starts to filter in with that. We'll dry out briefly with scattered rain showers going into the afternoon hours, so that would cut down on any kind of snowfall accumulations. Quick look at that snowfall projection for you. You can see probably only looking at about 1/10 or 2/10 of an inch, which would be considered our first measurable snowfall, but it's not going to get you having the shovels out or anything like that. 40s this weekend, drying things out, but boy, is that a reality check for this time of year.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Are you ready?
No.
I know.
Not quite.
I know. We got a little time.
We were living the good life there for a while.
We were living the good life.
Too good for our means.
Yeah, don't forget it.